Hello YouTube, this is Stefan from RIP City Based Works, and today I'm going to show you how to install any Android 7.1.1 Nougat ROM on the Galaxy S2 I9100 without the use of a computer. So this is if you have no computer or all your USB cables are broken, this is the video for you. So first off, you're going to have to download all the files I have linked in the description. So onto the S2 you want to install Nougat on. So once you do that, you need to browse to the files and just check the download folder, copy it to the external SD card. And you need to do this because we need to repartition the device in order to flash Nougat and install GApps, because there's not enough space in the system partition currently. So okay, once that is done, you're going to want to select that folder, and I put it in a subfolder also just for convenience. Okay, so now the first app, so there's two apps you will need to install. The first one is a one-click root app that works for pretty much any device. I have a video on it. It's any device running Jelly Bean or older. So this S2 is running stock TouchWiz Jelly Bean. This will also work if you're running Ice Cream Sandwich. Can't guarantee if it'll work for Gingerbread because that's really old. But so you're going to want to hit Settings, and you need to allow unknown sources. Hit OK for the prompt. Now go back, Kingo Root again, install. Now you're going to want to open it. So hit that. And if it gets stuck at a certain percentage, just wait it out. It's normal. Usually gets stuck around 70 and then around 90. Okay, and that was successful, so hit the home button, go back to apps, go back to my files. Now you're going to want to, if it doesn't automatically take you to the directory on your SD card you were just at, you want to go there, find the file called odinmobile.apk, and you're going to want to install this. And install it rather quickly, and then open it. Now you're going to want to make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, if I haven't told you that already. Allow super user access. And now mobile Odin is going to download device specific files over Wi-Fi, so just wait it out, it shouldn't take too long. Okay, just dismiss the prompt. Okay, there, you can go to kernel, select external SD card, go to download, then choose GTI 9100 JB Clockwork mod. This will flash the custom recovery, and now you're going to want to make sure it's just automatic selection for after flash, and then flash firmware. then hit continue at the prompt. Okay. Okay, once you hear that sound, you're going to want to take the battery out. And now you're going to want to hold the volume up, power button, and home button all at the same time. Then release the power button once the Galaxy screen shows up, so right there. Now keep holding the volume up and home key until you boot into Clockwork Mod Recovery. Okay, hopefully you can see. Okay. Now you're going to want to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Use the power key to select. Scroll down to delete all user data. Okay. And now wipe cache partition. There you go. And now you're going to want to install zip from SD card. Choose zip from SD card. Scroll down to the download directory. Now you need to flash the kernel launch on CM13 I9100 zip. So this one that's selected right here. Confirm. Let's wait for it to flash. Shouldn't take too long. Okay. We're going to want to go back. Advanced. Reboot recovery. Let's wait for it to reboot. Okay, and now you're in Team Win Recovery Project. Keep read only. Okay, now you're going to want to wipe data again. Okay. Just let zoom, there we go. Okay, now you're going to want to install, select storage, SD card. Okay. Sorry about that. Again. There we go. Now you're going to want to select IsoRec TWRP 3.0.0 I9100 zip. So select that. Flash it. Okay, now you're going to want to, sorry about the zoom, not sure why it's not focusing very well. And you're going to want to reboot recovery. Okay, and now you're going to want to wipe again. There you go. And now here comes the fun part. Now you're going to want to repartition the device. So install, launch on repit, the date, and then system and all that other jazz. Select it, confirm. And this one will take a little while, so I'm going, oh, I forgot about the next step. Okay. Now you need to go up a level, Might be this. No, it is not. Oh, I know where it is. It's up a level. TMP. Now you want this. Launch on Repit, the date, and all of that stuff. Flash it. Okay, now that the repartition is complete, you're going to want to go home, wipe again, okay, and you're going to want to go to install. You're going to want to go up a level, just select storage, SD card. Now you're in the default directory again, download, and now choose the ROM that you want to flash. You can flash any Marshmallow or Nougat ROM. I'm going to choose Xenon HD. Now just wait for it to flash. It will not take as long as the repartition. Okay. Now you're going to want to go to install. Now OpenGapps. I'm using Nano. You can use whichever version you want. Just make sure it's ARM 7.1. That's not GApps. There we go. Okay, now you're going to want to wipe one last time. Okay, now you're good to reboot the system. Okay, so the boot has finished after about 5 minutes, I'd say, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just going to skip through as much of this as I can. Okay. Okay, and this one comes pre-installed with Nova, it looks like, rather than the default Trebuchet. Okay. Now I'm just going to confirm that this is indeed 7.1.1 Nougat. It's going to be a little bit laggy on first boot up, but it gets better. Xenon HD, Android version 7.1.1. And that is all. Any questions, just comment.